Kung sawa ka na mag-diet ng keto, low carb, intermittent fasting, then this one nutrition strategy can change your life. So I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejections by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on how to make your diet strategy exciting and delicious pero with the right approach. So, ano ba yung mga signs na sobrang sawa ka na sa diet mo ngayon? So, number one is, paulit-ulit na lang yung meals mo. So, kung ano yung ulam mo kahapon, yun lang rin yung ulam mo ngayon. So, hanggang sa, para na siyang dog food. Dahil mo pa aso, lagi na lang yung kinakain. Number two is lack of variety. Yun nga, paulit-ulit. Wala ka ng ibang options, kundi yun lang. Number three is you are feeling deprived. Feeling mo is, nade-deprive ka na sa favorite foods mo. Yung mga gusto mong kainin, hindi mo makain because dahil doon sa diet strategy na sinusunod mo. So, ano ba yung mga negative impact nito sa'yo? Number one is you struggle to stick with your healthy eating plan. So, dahil doon, mahirapan ka maging consistent kasi, madali kang magsawa eh. So, with that one is, maapektuhan dito yung consistency mo sa diet mo. Number two is, you may feel unsatisfied and crave a lot more. So, dahil nga de-deprive mo yung sarili mo with the food and drinks that you like, is mas madalas kang ma-prone sa cheat meals. And number three is your progress, hindi ka masyado nakapag-progress. So, nagsastagnant na yung weight mo. Wala ka ng progress sa weight, hindi na bumababa or hindi na tumataas. So, bakit ba to importante? Because enjoying your meals is crucial for long-term nutritional strategy. So, ano ba yung nutritional strategy that you can do para ma-enjoy mo pa rin kahit anong pagkain yung kakainin mo. So, pwede ka mag-pizza, pwede ka pa rin mag-siomai, pwede ka pa rin mag-ice cream. And that nutrition strategy is calorie counting. So, calorie counting, this is you counting every calories of your food intake. For example, kumain ka ng rice, how many calories yon? So, 1 cup of rice, that's almost 150 to 200 calories. So, you will track the calories that you eat. So, every human or every person, meron tayong tinatawag na maintenance calories. So, mako-compute mo yung sarili mong maintenance calories sa tdeecalculator.com. Meron dyan link sa baba, ilalagay ko na lang. So, dito i-compute mo dito yung maintenance calories mo. Ang maintenance calories, ibig sabihin nun, yun yung number of calories in order for you to maintain your weight. Again, maintain. So, kung ang goal mo is to lose weight, kailangan mo kumain ng less calories than sa maintenance calories mo. So, for me, kapag cutting ako, minus 500 lang sa maintenance calories ko. For example, ang maintenance calories kong na-compute is 1.8. So, ang gagawin ko, minus 300 or minus 500 lang. Pero kung ang goal ko naman is to gain weight, I need to add or I need to eat more than my maintenance calories. So, mag-a-add lang ako ng 100 to 200 calories more sa maintenance calories ko. So, for example, ang i-hit ko is 1.8 yung maintenance ko. In order for me to gain weight, kailangan ko ng 2,000 calories per day. So, with that one, ang gagawin mo na lang is itatrack mo yung number of calories na kinakain mo. So, kahit anong kainin mo, basta you are staying within that calories, kung ano man yung goal mo, nag-stay ka man sa calorie targets mo, then you will lose or you will gain weight depende kung naka-deficit or naka-surplus ka. So, with that one is, kapag na-enjoy mo lahat ng kinakain mo, na-achieve mo pa rin yung goal mo, is number one, you'll look forward sa lahat ng meals mo. So, never ka magsasawa. Hindi ka na mukhang magiging aso. Number two, you will nourish your body without feeling deprived. So, kahit araw-araw ka mag-cheat meal, as long as pasok ka sa calorie count mo, okay lang. And number three, you'll discover new food. Kumbaga, makakapag-explore ka kasi hindi ka stuck sa isang meal plan lang. So, with this one, I want you to try calorie counting because for me, ang tagal ko na siyang ginagawa na I lose weight and I gain weight kahit na lutong bahay lang yung kinakain ko. So, yun lang. Let's go.